Good day, guys. So today's a Sunday, and I just did a bunyag shoot for today. Just a quick one. I gave them a bonus of one. Gave them 2 hours, but other than that, everything's good. We had fun today. Yeah, I'm heading out. Magkatukugan ng quad lechon because we're gonna eat lechon for today. Anyway, gotta go. Early on a Sunday. So yeah, let's go. So sa pagkakaroon, naka-order na akong lechon and mahal na gid siya. It's 25, that's 300 grams sa kuan, sa original, and kanang spicy is 30 ang kanang kuan, ang 300 grams. Nasa half kilo, nasa silay kanang kuan, full 1 kilo. But anyway, I just got the 300 grams, which is more than 1/4. And buli na ta. And so the other day, nagkanang shoot ko kanang wedding dito sa Koryong. Koryong was like 5 hours drive and 5 hours pa nung uli. And buto siya. Grabe kayo ka kapoy. But I have fun. And yeah, pag-edit pa ko. Wala ko video, wala ko vlog ito, pero yeah, hopefully it's gonna be up in the vlog soon or something. Any snippets or any stories about that trip, I'll try to put in the vlog. Yeah. Okay, editing me now. There's nothing much in this video, just me trying to edit using DaVinci Resolve, and it's not easy for me at the moment, but you know, that's it. See you tomorrow.